Patio door installation in Slidell is a top priority for homeowners seeking to enhance their outdoor living spaces. Our Slidell sliding door experts specialize in custom patio doors, ensuring a perfect fit for your home. Whether you need French door installation or sliding glass door replacement, our team provides exceptional patio door Slidell services and professional patio door installation in Slidell. Energy-efficient windows in Slidell are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Our selection of double-pane windows and insulated glass units offers superior insulation. Vinyl window replacement in Slidell is a popular choice for those seeking durability and energy efficiency. Trust our Slidell window installation experts for all your residential window replacement needs. Window frame installation in Slidell is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Our Slidell window frame installation services address issues such as rot and damage, ensuring your windows remain secure. We also offer window sash installation in Slidell to restore the functionality of your windows. For comprehensive window installation in Slidell, our team is here to help. Custom window solutions in Slidell cater to unique design preferences and functional requirements. Our Slidell custom patio doors and custom window services provide tailored options for your home. From window tinting services to window glazing services, we offer a range of solutions to enhance your window's performance and appearance. Sliding door track installation in Slidell is essential for smooth operation of your sliding doors. Our Slidell sliding door experts can address any issues with your sliding door tracks, ensuring easy and reliable use. We also provide patio door locks in Slidell to enhance the security of your home. Trust our team for all your sliding door needs in Slidell. Window seal installation in Slidell is vital for preventing drafts and maintaining energy efficiency. Our window caulking services in Slidell ensure a tight seal around your windows, reducing energy loss. We also offer window weather stripping in Slidell to further enhance your home's energy efficiency. For comprehensive window maintenance, rely on our Slidell experts. Door hardware replacement in Slidell is an important aspect of maintaining your door's functionality and security. Our Slidell door hardware services include replacing worn or damaged components to ensure your doors operate smoothly. We also offer door threshold installation in Slidell to address any issues with your door's base. For reliable door maintenance, choose our Slidell team. Glass door installation in Slidell is essential for maintaining the appearance and functionality of your glass doors. Our Slidell glass door specialists can address any issues with your glass doors, from minor installations to complete replacements. We also offer tempered glass doors in Slidell for added safety and durability. Trust our experts for all your glass door needs in Slidell. For top-notch patio door installation and sliding glass door replacement in Slidell, look no further than our expert services. Our team specializes in energy-efficient windows and double-pane windows, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round. We offer custom patio doors, French door installation, and patio door Slidell solutions designed to enhance your home's aesthetic and functionality. If you're in need of window frame installation or window seal installation, our Slidell window installation services have you covered. We also provide vinyl window replacement and glass door installation, ensuring your windows and doors are in perfect condition. Our insulated glass units and window screen replacement services are designed to improve your home's energy efficiency and security. Our storm door installation and aluminum window frames are perfect for those looking to enhance their home's durability and style. We offer comprehensive window caulking services and door hardware replacement to keep your home in top shape. Our window sash installation and tempered glass doors are ideal for those seeking both beauty and functionality. For sliding door track installation and window glazing services in Slidell, our experts are ready to assist. We also provide patio door locks and window tinting services to enhance your home's security and privacy. Our door threshold installation and custom window solutions are tailored to meet your specific needs. Residential window replacement in Slidell is made easy with our professional services. Our Slidell sliding door experts are dedicated to providing the best patio door services in the area. Whether you need energy-efficient windows Slidell or Slidell custom patio doors, we have the expertise to deliver exceptional results. Our Slidell glass door specialists are skilled in vinyl windows Slidell and Slidell window installation. We also offer double-pane windows Slidell and Slidell window frame installation to ensure your home is well insulated and secure. Insulated glass Slidell and Slidell storm door services are available to enhance your home's protection against the elements. For window caulking Slidell and Slidell door hardware, our team provides reliable and efficient services. We specialize in window sash Slidell and Slidell tempered glass doors, offering solutions that combine style and durability. Window weather stripping Slidell and sliding door track Slidell are part of our comprehensive service offerings. Our Slidell window glazing and patio door locks Slidell services are designed to improve your home's energy efficiency and security. We also offer window tinting Slidell and Slidell door threshold installation to enhance your home's comfort and appearance. For homeowners looking to upgrade their outdoor access and style, we also provide high-quality patio door Slidell installations tailored to fit your home perfectly.